how they can take advantage of the benefit they will get. Remember, here we have 50,000 bonus for some likely MOSs. Yes, that's a free money into your pocket. Okay, now let's go, gentlemen and ladies. What's the next step, guys? Moderators, thank you guys for being active, but don't block. I'm not to block anybody at Shebo. Making a block wherever I say when I block. We don't block anybody again, okay? Alright, let's go. Let's go, guys. 9x plus 32y equals to what? 30. What is what? What is the next step, guys? The next step. No, the one where I pin get the answer right, Neo. Femi, unblock her. Chris, unblock Chris, John Toriolong. The one where I pin, he got the answer right, though. John Toriolong, unblock him real quick. Let's go, family. So, what we do next is what? We'll make y equals to 2 here. Okay? You gotta get my points. How you come, guys? Let me go and find Chris. Yeah, guys, unblock Chris, okay? Unblock Chris. Now we have 96x plus 3 2 brackets. What is y? Y is what? 2. Okay. Y is 2 equals to what? 30. Let's expand now. We have what? 96x plus 32 times 2. What is 32 times 2? Someone say, why am I making 32? Why am I making y equals to 2? Because that's the question. Alright, gentlemen, again, sometimes when I pin the person that got the answer right, the first person to get the answer right, I always pin them. Okay? And sometimes when people become rude in the comment section, I pin them so that moderator can block them. Okay? Let's go. 96x plus 2. So someone asked me, why is y equals to 2? Because the question says 8 times 2x plus 2y equals to 30. Find x.
You okay? You were crying. I said, no, I'm not okay. And then you got in bed.
Find x.
This has been the most embarrassing night for you.
Why are you embarrassed? Like, you keep saying you're embarrassed.
He's a fucking embarrassed.
When y is equals to what? 2. So 32 times 6 is 32 times 2 is what? 64 equals to 30. So what's the next step, guys? The next step is, why did you plug 2 so late? I mean, you can plug 2 anytime. However you do it is okay. Whether you plug 2 in time or you plug 2 late, it doesn't matter. Okay? You can plug 2 in time, it's fine. You can plug 2, but the reason why I plug 2 late is because now I can plug the 2 here and simplify easily. But if I plug 2 here, it's gonna be a lot of steps. Okay? Someone asked me what maths has to do with the army. Because the US Army, we employ, before you join the US Army, you have to write something called ESVAB. You have to write something called ESVAB examination. And the ESVAB examination, you have to do maths, okay? Now, let's solve. We have 96x, then you bring plus 64 to the other side, and it becomes minus 64. We talked about this yesterday. God bless you. Mingwe Mimi. Yes, we talked about this yesterday. We said whenever we are bringing a positive sign to the other side, it becomes negative sign. We talked about it yesterday, guys. Okay? This is very important. This is why sometimes people fail these exams. This exam, hard. Hard at all. Hard. You just have to pay attention. Now, x becomes waiting. What is 30 minus 64? This is a tricky one. I know some people are confused. That's why I'm slow. It's not hard. What is 30 minus 64? God bless you. Someone says 34, you are wrong. Someone says minus 34, you are right. Minus 34, Adeyinka, got it right. Minus 34. Moderator, you guys ever me work Chris? The name Chris. Me not unblock Chris. Minus what? 34 is the right answer. Minus 34. So we have 96x equals to what? Minus 34. Okay? Now, what is the next step? Okay, now worry, Femi. Divide both sides by what? 96. Divide both sides by 96. Divide both sides by 96. Divide both sides by 96. Cancel out. X equals to what? Minus 34 over 96. Now you can divide to the lowest multiple and you get your final answer. But this is the whole point. This is the answer. Okay? If you got this right, you're good. Okay? Someone says, hey, how to let's do calculus. I know how to do calculus, but I'm not here to teach complex maths. I'm here to teach the only maths that you have to face in what. Someone say, I'm gonna leave calculus first. Yes, because now these are the guys in this screenshot. Let me get out of the way. Take screenshots. Let me know when you're done with screenshots, please. Are you done? Good? Good? All right. Okay. Now, another thing people go through is any of you know law of indices? So guys, if you get the answer right, that's the right answer. Now this one are high school maths, Abi. I tell you now, these things it's not hard. These are high school maths. These are very, very easy maths, high school maths. But if Nigerians, most of the Nigerians with the America, where they feel these questions, I don't know how they feel now. And if you're here, if you're African, if you're here, if you're Europeans, you're anywhere part of the world, you're Americans, if you really want to get these things right, this is the right place to be. Now the right place to be with this. Now foundation, exactly, Kelechi. The most important thing is what? Foundation. Once you understand the fundamental of mathematics, talking about foundation, let me share with you guys. Let me teach you guys foundation. Law of indices. Law of indices. Again, If you want to join the US Army, the age requirement is 17 to 42. I understand. Some people say they hate maths. I understand, man. But you have to, for the sake of your dream, you have to pass it. You cannot escape it. All right, let me teach you guys quickly the law of indices. Okay? Law of indices. Yeah. Law of what? Indices. So, gentlemen and ladies, if you're joining for the first time, you're welcome. Yes, this law of indices is the foundation of mathematics. If you know this law, everything, the next questions about fraction and arithmetic in those exams, you will pass it. Please take your paper and your pencil and write these laws down. You know, take your paper and pencil and write this law, write it down. If you're joining me for the first time, you're welcome. Make sure you press that follow button before you leave. I give you guys 30 seconds, please. 30 seconds. Press follow buttons. Let's go. Everybody follow the host. My lips is dry. I don't like licking my lips. It's weird licking the lips. So I just put this on my lips to keep it moisturized. I don't know about you guys, but my lips gets dry all the time. All right, gentlemen, ladies, if you have a friend and family, if you get friend and family, we won't join US Army. Tí bá ní àwọn olólùfẹ́ yín tó fẹ́ join US Army, tí wọ́n mọ̀ bó máa ṣe ṣe, tó sọ pé tó wá bá mi, let them come and meet me. I will guide them into the US Army, okay? All right. Now, if you want to join the US Army and you're watching me right now, make sure you press that follow button. You text me, come to my DM, and DM me right now. Tell me, hey, I want to join. Tell me, hey, I want to join the US Army. You know, trust me, I'm living my best life. I can tell you for a fact that is the best profession ever. Fuck the Air Force, join the US Army. Sign up bonus. Sign up bonus. I can get you that money. Someone says what about the Air Force? At this point, man, Army only. Alright, let's go, guys. Law of indices. I'm gonna give you the rules and the example. Rules. And what? Examples. Are you ready? You have a pen and paper? Why? It's basic training. I can tell them about basic training later, but right now we are just we're just currently talking about the US Army. All right, let's go. 1. You have AM times AN. What is this? What is this, guys? When you have AN, A raised to power N, multiplied by A raised to power N, what does that mean? That means A raised to power what? M plus N. You know what? I'm just going to write everything. AM divided by AN is A raised to power M minus N. A M N is the same thing as A M times N. A raised to power 1 is the same thing as what? A. A raised to power 0 is what? 1. A over B M is the same thing as A M over what? B N. 7 A raised power minus M is the same thing as 1 over A raised power M. 8 A raised power X over Y is equals to square root of A X. Ladies and gentlemen, someone mute Jackson. Mute Jackson. Go and pay 5 grand to your people in your house. You are paying 5 grand. Mute it. Hey guys, don't pay attention to that person. No, don't pay him no 5 grand. Don't pay him no 5 grand. Mute. Scam. That's a scam. I mean, I'm not paying attention. No, that's a scam. Now, this is law of indices, guys. The law of indices is the foundation of mathematics. The law of indices is the fundamental of mathematics. If you can understand this law, you will be able to solve any question in the military. ASVAB questions, you'll be able to solve it. Any questions, I repeat, you'll be able to solve it. ASVAB, military exam. All right. Are you guys ready? Let's go. So in numbers, you have questions like this. 2 times someone tell me what is the answer? Someone is running in the office. Someone is running here. Now military base are there now, guys. Two raised to the power 8. Two raised to the power 8 is the right answer. Are you guys with me, right? Are you guys with me so far? Very simple, right? But if you don't understand the principles, you will not get it. All right, let's go. Let's just solve everything. 5 raised to the power 7 divided by 5 raised to the power 3 is what? Someone says, please explain. All right, let me explain it. Let me break it down before I go to the next step then. All right, guys, see. The reason okay, someone got that right, that'll be 5 raised to the power 4. The reason why 2 raised to the power 5 times 2 raised to the power 3 is 2 raised to the power 8 is because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2, that's 2 raised to the power 5 times 2 times 2 times 2. So count everything together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 becomes 2 raised to the power what? 8. Or if you multiply everything through, It's gonna give you a huge number that you can say what? The what? 2 raised to the power, what number can give you that number? Okay? But the law of indices is letting you know that during exam hall, you don't have to what? Go through this long process. You don't have to do it. It's too long of a process to go through. It's letting you know that if you have the same base, if you have the same base, 2 and 2 is the same, A and A is the same, all you have to do is what? You pick one of the base and you add the power during multiplication. Okay? You add the power. If it's division, you subtract the power, which is what? A raised to the power m minus n. Are we on the same page? Are we on the same page, guys? I'm teaching you the rules and the law of indices. This is the foundation of mathematics. What if the base is not the same? Good question. If the base is not the same, then this rule does not apply. If the base not be the same, the rule no apply. For those of you following me, thank you for following me. Let's keep tapping on our screen. All right. Since you understand this little cheat, this is called cheat code. In the exam hall, if they give you 10 raised to the power 7 times 10 raised to the power 2, and you have just 30 seconds to solve this, what are you going to do? I can solve this already in 2 seconds. Yes, add 7 and 7 plus 2. There you go. 10 raised to the power 9. That's what we're talking about. That's the whole point of teaching you this rule, so you can understand the basic principle. Okay? 10 raised to the power 9. Because 7 plus 2. 10 raised to the power 9. Alright, let's just pay attention to the rules, okay? Now division, you say what? A divided by A m n becomes A raised to the power n. Oh, what am I doing? Let's get the numbers. In numbers, 5 raised to the power 7 divided by 5 raised to the power 3 becomes 5 raised to the power 4. Let's go in numbers. 10 raised to the power 3, 7 becomes what? What is this according to this rule? A becomes what? M times n. Are you getting my point? Okay? Which is what? 10 raised to the power what? 23. 21. This one here, A raised to the power 1 is the same thing as what? A, which means 17 raised to the power 1 is equals to what? 17. It's important you know all these things, please. It's important you know all these things. Moderators, can you guys pin comment sections? What is A raised to the power 0? Guys, what is A raised to the power 0? A raised to the power 0 is 1. Man, I love when people are active. A raised to the power 0, people like this can never fail algebra. A raised to the power 0 is 1. You know why? Because, example, what is 34 raised to the power 0? It's 1. Because anything raised to the power, any number or anything raised to the power of 0 is what? Is 1. Okay? A raised to the power of 0 is 1 because anything raised to the power of 0 is what? Is 1. Always remember. This right here. 5 over 6 raised to the power of 2. This is telling you that all you have to do is multiply 5 times 5 and 6 times 6, which is what? 25 over 36. The next one. Guys, sorry about the noise, okay? That's soldier running. Some soldier running. What is 9 raised to the power of minus 2? Who can get this right?
No, I just don't know why you're still fucking hating it.
Joe, I've told you 6 times.
I feel like this just isn't
Raised to the power of minus 2 is the same thing as what? 1 over 9 raised to the power 2, which is the same thing as what? 1 over what? 81. 1 over 81. Yes, yes. Got it right. Lastly, what is a raised to the power? What is this? 49 over 2. What is this? What is 49 over 2? What is 49 raised to the power 1 over 2? That is what? Square root of 49, which is equal to what? 7. So ladies and gentlemen, yep, 7. Correct. So ladies and gentlemen, this is this right here. This right here, gentlemen and ladies. This one I waiting with the call. Law of indices. This is what we call what? Law of indices. If you understand this here, if you understand this one, you're not gonna get problem. Easy maths if you're an African. Yeah, I tell you guys, there's a reason why Nigerians are the best in America. Go through the educational system for America, they play. We are the best. Because the educational system now, West Africa is an educational system. We go far. Share me where we say I meet top my school for this thing, MIT, and for New York City University. Yeah, not be mouse now. Now because of say we also Cameroon and also Africans, all Africans. Someone say please Ghana stop. Ghana and argument and 5 and 6. Ghana just no hungry for Nigeria at all. If Ghana hear Nigeria matter, they don't, their ear go stand. Ghana and Nigeria wahala, who go set one? Sarah. Now so now argue jollof rice. Now argue about jollof rice. All of us not say jollof rice sweets. Jollof rice sweets. Oluwa Damilola. And he said in the discrimination. Ghana jollof rice is better. Ghana jollof rice. The best jollof rice so far in the world so far that I know of, I know of the best jollof rice where I know of is, guys, if you are watching me from America, if you are Caucasian white in the house, please just know that the best jollof rice so far is what is this thing is still Nigerian jollof rice. Someone says please explain number 8. Okay, all right. The best jollof rice so far for this life, where would they so for this world, guys? jollof, Nigerian jollof rice. You know why? So I have a lot of Ghanaian friends, even in my office now. In my office, we have a lot of whites, we have a lot of blacks, we have a lot of Africans. We have a lot of Ghanaians in my office. So all of us, we fight every day about food. The whites, my white friends, they come with their food, we try it out, lovely. The Africans, Ghanaians come with a jollof rice, we try it out, lovely. But when I come in, Charlie, when I come in with my Nigerian delicacy, I'm not even saying this because I'm Nigerian, guys. When I come in with my Nigerian jollof rice, kai, everybody they will be fighting me for my own food though. They will be fighting me for my own food. That's why I always, once I pack, I eat first in my car before I enter the office. Because once I enter, they don't ask me, can we eat your food? No. They will hold my hand and they will eat my food. They will fight me for my food. Because I don't blame them. The food is too good. Nigerian food. Nigerian jollof rice. There's one day I came into the office with a Ghanaian. I intentionally came with a Ghanaian food and I dropped the food. All of them, they just looked at the food. I was like, what is this? This is not Nigerian jollof rice. They were just looking at the food. They walked away. I was like, hey guys, why are you guys walking away? They said this is not Nigerian food. We know. I was like, alright, cool. And I can't make it up. And let me make these things up. Someone said that like Ghanaians don't go Greek. They go Greek. They make the whole Ghana for hand like this. They go say yeah. Charlie, we are together, the one love. Oh, I love my Ghanaian people. I love you guys. You guys are the best. Okay, someone asked me to solve question 8. Explain question 8, Abi. Let me explain question 8 real quick before we get carried away, because we are getting carried away with jokes. All right. By the way, guys, where are we all streaming from? All right, let's go. Question 8. Okay. Question 8 says. It says a raised to the power x over y is the same thing as what?
You came out from the bathroom and you go, you okay?
Same thing as what?
No, I'm not okay. And then you got in bed.
Nice. Okay. Which is the same. Now they say the numbers. In numbers, example 49 raised to power 1 over 2. I'm telling you, this expression in numbers, 41 raised to power 1 over 2, is the same thing as the square root of 49. How and why? Why is that? I can go into log table, but that will be complicating things for you guys. I can say I want to do log 10 of the power and the base, but that will be complicating things. But just for the sake of simple maths, for the sake of understanding, for the sake of simplicity, because all you're trying to do is pass the ESVAB exam. For the sake of simplicity, please, okay, please pay attention. When you have questions like this, 49 raised to the power 1 over 2 is the same thing as saying bring the base. Let me write it well. I want you guys to see it. It's the same thing as saying the bottom you know what? Let's even the bottom comes here, then the square root. This you have it has to be square root. Whenever you have a fraction, a proper fraction, whenever you have a proper fraction on top of a whole number, it becomes a square root, and bring the base here and the power what? Remains here. Up. 1. Okay? Let me explain further. Because the reason why I don't want to break it down, I don't want to go deep into log 10. Okay? I don't want to go deep into log 10 because if I go into log, you might get confused. Are you with me? Okay? 49 raised power 2 becomes square root 49. The 2 comes here and the 1 comes here. Are you guys are on the same page? Because this is because this here right now, if you have this, if you have this right here, yeah, I don't want to go deep into it. Just understand that. That's what I'm gonna say. Just understand that. Understand that once you have raised power 49 raised power 2, just know that you have the square. The denominator comes here and what the upper ones come here. Just understand it that way. Okay. Because once I go into details, then we'll be having to clean up the board and solving and all that will confuse you. These are the law of indices. Take a screenshot, guys. I remember when I was in college, I was studying mechanical engineering. There was this question I had to solve. I had to solve 3-page. Yes, I had to solve 3-page. So I don't want to get you guys there. Okay, this is not college studies. This is just for you to understand just how to solve simple as that. Take a screenshot, guys. Yeah. Gentlemen and ladies. All right. Are we good to go? All right. All right, let's proceed. Let's proceed. Let's proceed. Let me give you guys relating corrections. Okay, guys. Someone is asking me, am I financially stable? Let's see, we are that right. Am I financially stable? Say, if you are not financially stable, say you want to make me stable. You want to make me stable. Today I'll take a little question around. All right, since we're good to go, gentlemen, let's start solving questions. These are the questions that might come outside during your exam. Example, 1. We have someone solve me 5 raised to the power 2 times 5 raised to the power 4. 2. Someone solve me 6 raised to the power 9 divided by 6 raised to the power 4. These are the questions that you will be coming through, okay? AR or MK, what's that? What do you mean? Gentlemen and ladies, if you're, F 5 raised to the power 6, correct. Correct. I can already see some of you guys getting these answers right. What is, someone says 5 raised to the power 6. You see, we're solving these in just quick seconds. What is this? 6 raised to the power 9 divided by 6 raised to the power 4. What's that? No, you guys got it wrong. No, I haven't seen the right answer so far. No, Ray busy, bro. No, 6 raised to the power what? 5. Correct. Correct. Non-challenge. Correct. This is the speed. This is what I'm talking about. 6 raised to the power what? 5. You don't have to think about it. You just know it because now you already understand the law of indices. You understand the principle of indices. You do not need to think now. All you just have to do is apply the rules, apply the laws, apply the principle. That is why I gave you those principles, because during the exam you have just limited time to solve 25 questions. Are you getting my point? You don't think, you just solve. You don't think, you solve. The US Army is very easy. The questions are very easy. If you understand the rules, I don't think you should be failing the exams. If you understand the rules, you should not be failing the exams. These exams are freaking easy. I don't understand why I see people failing these exams. It's easy. It's very easy. I already gave you guys the rules to better your life. At least get prepared. If you already have your green card or you're a US citizen already, you are 17 to 42 years old, and you have a high school diploma, I think you should be able to go. Someone says, I got 5 on the exam. That is unacceptable. You shouldn't be getting 5 on the exam. You shouldn't be getting 5 in the exam. It's a very easy exam. But welcome in. Press the follow button. I'm going to get you squared away. Guys, let's go. Let's keep solving. The more you solve, the more you know. 3. 20 raised to the power 8 divided by 20 raised to the power 5. What is the answer? Let's go. 4. 8 raised to the power 4 bracket 3. What is the answer? Let's go. No, wrong. 20 raised to the power 3, correct. Prince, correct. That means you didn't pay attention to the class. 8 raised to the power 3, non-challenge, correct. Non-challenge, correct. I can tell you for a fact. If you pay attention to the class I just finished taking, the law of indices I just, the law of indices I just gave to you guys right now, Someone says h raised to power 15. You're wrong. Not h raised to power 15. It's h raised to power 12. Because according to law of indices, if you have a raised to power x brackets y, it becomes what? A raised to power x times y. Which is the same thing as what? A raised to power x, y. Are you with me? Then this means h raised to power 4 times 3, which is what? H raised to power 12. Simple. Apply the rules. Don't think. Apply the rules. Go to your paper, go to your phone, whatever you screenshot. Apply the rules. Do not think. And if you want to join the US Army, come to my DM right now. Text me, hey, I want to join. Text me your name, your phone number. DM me right now and I will attend to you once I'm done with the live. That's not the only thing I am in ESVAB, but at the end of the day, that's the challenges people are going through right now. And I'm not a sergeant, by the way. I'm an officer. So it's yes, sir, not yes, sergeant. All right, let's go. All right, I think that's about it for that's about it for that. All right, gentlemen, let's proceed. You all understand the whole point already, guys. All right, let's go back to what we did yesterday. Simultaneous equation. Solve for x and y. Simultaneous equation. Equation 1 says 2x plus 3y equals to 2, and equation 2 says x plus 5y equals to 3. Please solve for x and y. If you want to join the US Army, if you know you're 17 to 42, you got a permanent residency, or you're a US citizen, and you want to join the US Army, you are in the right place. Send me a direct message to my DM right now. And you're in Maryland, you're welcome in. Send me your DM. Make sure you have your name, your phone number, and your citizenship status. Green card, US citizen, anything you got. And if you don't have a green card, say not green card yet. Okay? Those 3 things is all I need. Your name, your phone number, your what? Status. Okay? You can put your location from Ohio or whatever. That's also good. All right. Should I solve this or you guys are good to go? What is the weight? What's weight? The question says solve for x and y. 2x plus 3y. Someone asked me earlier, I just saw the questions. Someone says please solve. Should I solve it? Yeah, you can hit me up to if your green card is in the process. The meaning of ESVAB, guys, for whoever asked me that question earlier, I think I skipped that. It means Army Service Vocational Aptitude Battery, okay? It's Army Service Vocational Aptitude Battery. That is ESVAB. All right, you guys ready? Already Belvira, send me a DM right now.
What?
Send me a direct message right now.
Me? Me?
Send me a direct message right now. Send me a direct message right now and I will attend to you. Summer go. Okay, all right, guys. Should we solve this? Are you guys ready? If you want me to solve it, say yes. Coco Jojo, you send me a message too. Gentlemen, yeah, while they are solving this question, let me attend to all the messages I'm getting right now. Yes, I see a lot of messages coming in. Yes, if you're sending me a message, please don't just put hi or hello. Put your name, your phone number, and your green card status, your citizenship status. I got a green card, no green card yet. Your phone number has to be there so I can just see it and tap on it because there's a lot of people I have to attend to. And we've been doing super great yesterday. We had 32 people I attended to and joined the year's army yesterday. Today it's been great. Jojo, I just seen your message right now, Mr. Jojo. Accept you, my brother. How you doing now, Charlie? I just sent you this. You see that? Name, age. Okay. Just fill it up, send it back to me. Pam, 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 pam. I will take care of you. No wasting of your time. I will not waste your time. Trust me. Trust me, 9 times out of 10, you will be taken care of. Your time will not be wasted. I promise you that for a fact. Big Ray, what's your question? Okay, I just seen your question, Sammy text. Okay, I got you. Black Elder. What's up, my G? How's it going? If you want to join the US Army right now at this point, send me all this information I'm sending to you. Go to my DM. Send me a direct message. Ask any question. Belvira, okay. All right, Belvira, I'm attending to you right now. Belvira. I just sent you a message, Belvira. Trust me, man. This army job is sweet. It makes sense. You're gonna take care of yourself. You're gonna travel. The age limit, 17 to 42 is the age limit, my people. You know, it's the best job ever, man. I never life for you, my brother, my sister. Best job ever. Hey, I want to join the US Army. This is my number. I'm in mess. Oh, nice. Homie. God bless you, homie. Yeah, fill that up, homie. Mr. Homie, fill that up, okay? Fill that up. Yes, Mr. Homie, fill that up. Yeah, fill that up, Mr. Homie, okay? Fill that up. You got this.
I have no other words. But just
All right, should I solve the question, guys? I beg, did you do it online? No.
I said I was leaving. Yeah, I just started
All right.
somewhere else, and I just felt like I shouldn't be there anymore.
Okay.
I only had my limit for sure, so I left. I feel like that was a good thing to do, but yeah, I don't know. Like, I definitely could have got up and done something. I just don't know what she wanted. I have no idea what she wanted.
Yeah, homie, do you have a green card? All right, guys. All right, let's solve this. Okay, let's solve this together. All right, to solve this question, it's a simultaneous question. Obviously, we solved one of this yesterday. Someone says we'll travel to other countries to combat. Okay, maybe by block you go your papa house go ask that question. Should we? I say you know wise.
Why are you embarrassing? Saying you're embarrassed.
Matt, if you have a green card, press me a follow button and send me that message. Green card is a permanent residency you get in USA.
It just feels like it's like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Like, it just is.
Cecil, thanks for joining. Let's solve together. You guys ready?
Why is that funny? That's not funny.
It's not funny. It's not funny.
Why are you laughing?
It's not funny. It's funny though. That's why it's funny. But it's not. I mean,
What?
I can't believe you do this. Like,
Me? Me?
yeah.
I'm doing
Yes.
okay. So I'm not gonna sit here while you tell me that I'm doing something to you when I've done nothing but come in and care.
I was asleep.
Okay, you were asleep. You know what? I'm gonna go sleep in another room then. Because you can't believe I'm doing this. I can't believe you're doing this. This is so not cool.
What do you need from me?
I told you.
No,
I told you what I needed.
no, I just don't know why you're so fucking angry.
Joe, I've told you 6 times.
I feel like this just isn't working. I don't know. I feel like this is. I don't know.
This is such shit.
I have no other words. I just yeah, I left the party early for sure. I said I was leaving. I just wanted to get some rest, and yeah, I just felt like I shouldn't be there anymore. I only had my limit for sure, so I left. I feel like that was a good thing to do, but yeah, I don't know. Like, I definitely could have got up and done something. I just don't know what she wanted. I have no idea what she wanted.
So far, an LCM of 7 and 11, 7. 7, 14 minus 12. 2x equals to what? 2/7. X equals to 1/7.
This has been the most embarrassing night for me.
Why are you embarrassing? Saying you're embarrassed.
Because it's fucking embarrassing to be
What's embarrassing?
to be crying by myself and my fiance is laying in bed and I'm crying on the patio and you hear me and you still just get in bed, you know?
Fucking woke up and then it just feels like it's like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Like, it's just there's a lot. What's embarrassing for you? If
I just told you I was embarrassing, Joe. Why is that funny? That's not funny.
It's not funny. It's not funny.
Then why are you laughing?
It's not funny. It's not funny at all. That's why it's funny. But it's
Someone says,
What?
someone says you are giving me anxiety. Why?
Me?
Someone got it right. Samuel.
Something to you.
Miss Unique.
But come in and care.
Gentlemen and ladies, this is it. These are the questions we're talking about.
I can't believe you're doing this.
If you have gotten to this stage and you are able to solve, bro, I didn't get any of the solving. I was there yesterday, just got in today.
I told you.
Okay.
I told you what I needed.
Put the value you got in one of the equations and confirm it is correct. Yes, that too.
I feel like this just isn't working.
We can do that.
I feel like
You can put 1/7 in the first equation and put this in the other equation, and once we get 0 equals to 0, we're good. Guys, take screenshot. I'm tired.
I have no.
Take screenshot. Well, let me explain, guys. Let me explain.
I said I was late. Yeah.
Simultaneous equation, gentlemen. Again, to solve these equations, very easy. Okay.
I only have my limit for sure, so I
Solve for x and y.
that was a good thing.
2x plus 3y equals to 2.
I don't know.
X plus 5y is equals to 3.
Don't know what you wanted.
Are you with me?
I hadn't.
What did I do? I use elimination method. Elimination method. In this method, all I have to do is I bring the coefficients of x and I multiply for equation 1 all through equation 2. This has 1, I multiply 1 by everything here. And I multiply 2 by everything here. Okay? Are you with me? By doing that, 1 multiplied by 2x, 2x, 1 multiplied by everything here is what? You see that? The new equation 1 becomes equation 3. The same thing, I multiply the coefficient of 2x, which is 2, by everything here, becomes 2x, 2 times,
Why is that funny? That's not funny.
It's not.
sorry, 2x, 2 times 5y, 10y, 2 times 3, 6. That becomes equation 4.
What?
Are you with me so far? Alright? Subtract equation 3 from 4. 2x minus 2x is 0. 3y minus 10y minus 7y. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. To get the value of y, divide both sides by the coefficients of y, which is minus 7. So we have y equals minus 4 over minus 7. Negative cancel out, we have 4 over 7.
So not cool.
We've gone through the whole process of, dividing both sides. So I skipped those steps because I know you guys know it already, because we've been solving this already. Now, to get the value of x, put y equals to 4 over 7 in equation 1. Okay? Put y equals to 4 over 7 in equation 1. What is equation 1? This is equation 1. All I have to do is say 2x plus 3 bracket what? 4 over 7. 4 over 7 equals to 2. Then I solve. 2x plus 3 into bracket 4 over 7 equals to 2. Then I expand the bracket. I bring this 2x down. I took plus 3x and 4 over 7 to the other side. It becomes 2 minus, plus becomes minus. Remember I taught you guys, when we have a positive sign going towards an equal to, across an equal to, it becomes what? A negative sign. Plus 1 crossing to the other side of an equal to becomes what? Minus 1. Okay? We spoke about that yesterday. Okay? What do we have? By doing that, we have what? 2x equals to 2 minus 12 over 7. Who can tell me how did we get 12 here? How did we get 12?
Why are you embarrassed? Like you keep saying you're embarrassed.
How did we result get to 12? Guys. How did we get 12?
Feels like it's like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Like
This 12, how did we get it?
it's embarrassing for me.
3 times 4, thank you. I love these people here, paying attention. God bless you. Thank you guys, you are very active.
It's not funny at all. That's why it's funny.
Those of you that does not understand, we got 12 by multiplying 3 times 4. Makes 12. So now we have 2 minus 12 over 7. Next, we find the LCM of 7 and 1, which is 7. 1 and 7, 7. 7 times 2, 14. 7 and 7, 1. 1 times 12, 12. 14 minus 12 is what? 2 over 7. This is it right here, 2 over 7. Now we have 2x equals to 2 over 7. To get x, you divide both sides by 2. Over 2, over 2, 2 cancel 2, we have 1 over 7. Final answer.
I feel like
X equals to 1 over 7, y equals to 4 over 7. You see,
Ọ̀gá sójà
right?
ewu lẹ ń ṣe.
Oh yeah,
Check.
my boy.
Ẹ ń kọ́ àwọn èèyàn
US
sí
Army. My US Army. One-on-one in class. One class.
ṣé nǹkan tó ń kọ́ wọn lélẹ̀ nínú kíláàsì ni 2x plus 2y.
Wọ́n tó fẹ́ join the US Army nínú àwọn. Wọ́n tó join US Army. O gbọ́dọ̀ kọ exam. Kò tó entrance exam. So àwọn entrance exam ẹ̀wọ̀n èèyàn máa ń ṣì gan. So ìbá fẹ́ táwọn èèyàn join the army tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ join wọ́n lè pass
Ṣé
exam.
exam tó máa ń kọ tó bá fẹ́ join US Army lélẹ̀ yìí?
Yes, it's called ESVAB.
Nigeria Army tó bá fẹ́ kọ exam kì í ṣe bílẹ̀ náà ṣe ń kọ exam. Exam ti Nigeria Army báyìí tó bá fẹ́ kọ yẹn exam yẹn wá gbọ́ number 1. If thief lie down if thief lie down the whole
Èmi kọ́
gun
wa kó bá
and the thief
aṣọ ìjọba wà lọ́rùn mi máa ní kẹ́ ẹ sá afẹ́ni kó bá mi jọ tẹ́yọ náà. Guys, let me go. That's a lie. Don't mind him. Guys, don't pay attention to that boy. Don't pay attention to him. Yeah. So guys, you understand the whole point, right? You understand, right? This is it, man. Guys, it's not hard, man. This exams is not hard. If you can take a screenshot before I'm not a sergeant, guys. I'm an officer. It's a yes, sir. It's not. It's just tripping. Yeah, it's tripping, man. And I'm on uniform. They go on screen record and stuff like that. So I don't want to be in all this bloggers business. The exam is how many questions? It's 25 questions. There's enough bloggers that don't carry me very well. They've taken me to almost all the page on bloggers accounts. All is not mathematics, but these are one of the major questions that comes out, that people have